exciting day. As you have seen, I finished socks. Here they are. They are so much fun, and they were so much fun to knit. And before I tell you the construction and yarn I used, I'm going to tell you gritty bitty about the giveaway. So the first things first is the prize. The prize is already hand knitted socks, the ones that you see over here. And to enter, you need to be Knitting I Love subscriber. This is giveaway for subscribers. And just to be sure, write down in the brackets that you are a subscriber, because there are some privacy settings and stuff like that on YouTube that even though if you can comment, still you may have something ticked that you don't want others to know to what channels you have subscribed. So even though you see that you have that button clicked and subscribed, doesn't mean that I can see that too. So just in case, write it down if you have subscribed. And this month, to help you up a little bit, I didn't have time to go through my leftovers to show which one to pick. Therefore, I'm asking you, what is your favorite color? And that way probably it will motivate me to go and pick it up something from my stash for June. You need to be a subscriber, and to take part, comment down. The drawing will take place on the 1st of June. I'm going to use a random comment picker, and I use YouTube Buddy for that. I'm not sure how long I can stay in a subscription with them, but maybe the free option for them also will let you to pick a winner. If not, there's other kind of platforms. There's other websites that probably I could use that, so that's that. The announcement will take on or after the 1st of June. It will be in the form of the video available for everyone to see. And then, because up till that moment I'm not allowed to reply to any of your comments, and then I will sit down and reply. But meanwhile, I will read and give you a heart, a thumb up. And the last thing, this giveaway is not sponsored or endorsed by YouTube. Just, you know, I knit them. To information over here, if you never knitted a socks but you really want to do and try to see if you can knit socks the way I do it, toe up. There are 2 tutorials down below, so check them out. The one that it's called Fast and Easy Socks, one at a time. This is the method I'm using now. The other method is quite similar. It's just you're knitting 2 socks at a time. I have more fingering weight yarn, so these are fingering weight socks. As you can see, I use some leftovers toe up with afterthought heel, so when you cut the yarn and then insert a heel afterwards. I use US size 1, which is 2.25mm needles. I'm getting gauge approximately 8 stitches per inch to do that, and these socks are 56 stitches, so they will fit, like they fit my size, and my size is European 39. I checked, so my foot is 9.5 in the length and 9 inches in circumference in the widest part, you know, when you have toes. So that's in centimeters is 24 centimeters by 23 centimeters. If you want to take part in more giveaways on this channel, there's something like a join button, so check it out. You can see it when you use computer, and it's a monthly subscription idea for level 1 and level 2 where I knit socks. So here is a giveaway pair, and for level 2 I knit customized socks. So after watching the video, you pick the yarn that I show and you tell me what size do you want me to knit. And I actually finished a pair of socks for the level 2 for the month April, and that will be my next video. So what yarn did I use? As you can see, I used some leftovers to make it fun, and I did some bricks. I call them bricks because if you remember, you also know there's extra content, so everything behind the scenes. When I do a bit of gardening and try to set up the garden for the season, this is my kind of second season, but the first one was basically we just moved into the house and it was just crazy. So, and now it's just trying to figure out and prepare a section that will be actual garden. So there's still a way to go. We have so many rains and winds now that my pea stock fall. So there'll be loads of fixing today. Yarn. And the other perks is also annual discount code for each level. It's different percent for my patterns on RAVELRY. So the yarn that I used, so let's start from the toes. I used this orange And this is West Yorkshire Spinners. I got it from a viewer and a friend. The color is the color is 06, and this is it. Here how it presents itself in a toe, so I did a little bit more, and I used the orange because I noticed that in actual leftovers that I had there was a bit of orange, and I wanted to bring that up and more of the bright colors than darker colors. Then I went to ish main color, and the main color was this one. I don't know exactly what the yarn is. There was just a ball again from my friend from Canada, so I used that. And then I decided when I reached the heel to just knit, so it knits up like this, because over here I used the white color, which is Drops Fable, and this is color 100 if you're interested. And then I stopped and I created this panel using brown color, which I don't have over here with me, but it's Drops Fable. I don't have a label, but I think there's only one brown, and I use also that brown for the cuff. In the between this fuchsia that I had only that much, basically maybe 1 gram I used for this, just to spice things up and make it nice, make it more cheerful. And between that is the actual main color, let's call it main color of the yarn. That's why you may notice on the second sock you have blue and some other colors. So I did not know how it's going to end up. So kind of keep them the same, but not really. And then I finished with this, and I did a bit off with the main color before I started to cuff, and then I finished with the brown. Came back and inserted a heel, and the heel I inserted with this. It was slightly bigger, left over the green, and this is Drops Fable, and I can tell you the color because I finished socks and I bought the full skein, so this is 112. There's only one green, so you'll be fine. And if you're interested to go and check out some of the bits for knitting, like the keychains, I still have some in the shop, so you can check it out. And my little tags that I use them to put on the progress keepers, or I use them for my tapestry needle. You may see that on Instagram if you follow me. And this beautiful bag, no, I don't make. I got that from my friend, so I'm going to put her Etsy shop down below. So if you're interested, check it out. I'm happy to hear that you're enjoying me knitting from leftovers, from those little bits, and we never know how it's going to end up, but I have loads of fun, and I hope you enjoy the socks too. Thank you so much for those who have won so far the socks, and they're wearing them, and they posting the photos, and they tagging me on Instagram. It kind of feels that I make a difference just by knitting socks. So thank you so much, because that really lifts me up. So yeah, till the next one. Bye.